long wavy hairstyle tutorial.
First thing we're going to do is section off the hair. Now we're going to grab our essentials. It's the Freeze and Shine by Paul Mitchell Super Spray. It is the best, you guys. Then I'm going to go into the Hot Tool 1-inch tapered iron. I'm obsessed with wands, you guys. I completely saturate the hair so these curls last 4 solid days. I start with taking 1-inch pieces right around my face. I curl away from my face because I wear earrings and I want my earrings to always show. I wrap all hair away from my face. I like to pull my hair over to the other side, and I like everything to really intertwine together. Here is a huge tip that people don't talk about. Thoroughly brush each section of hair. This is a very deep grooming habit that really helps the hair. It pulls the oils down into your long hair, and it really seals the cuticle down and all those fuzzy hairs. And once you spray it and then you add the iron heat to it, it really seals that cuticle down so you have a very beautiful wave. So as you guys can see, I have a pattern with brush, saturate, take a 1-inch piece, and then I wand. So once I moved on to that top section, this is the most important to me. The front matters the most. So I take small pieces, I brush, saturate, and wrap. That's my pattern. I let all of the curls set up before I touch anything. I brush and spray so it lasts. Plus, it seals down the cuticle, and I just have this awesome curl pattern. I go ahead and, like I said, I take the smallest sections up there because I really want those pieces to just be beautiful. Once I complete everything, I go through and kind of treat it like I'm crunching naturally curly hair. I start to arrange those top pieces in the exact spot that I like them in my preferred spots. And then I just lightly pull everything. And then I pull everything to the side because this is how I wear my hair. I'm like total 80s chick, side part for life. And then I actually treat it like I'm crunching naturally curly hair. And I just really start saturating everything with this spray, and I cannot live without this spray. You need the Paul Mitchell Freeze and Shine. It is the best. And I just go in and look at that controlled texture. You guys, like, there's patterns up there that are just so put together, and there's so much volume, and it's because I did the brush and the wand. It just